Hi friends, let's try to follow the customer what exactly the path he followed, where he touched, and what exactly happened when he walked into the store. If you can see, he first touched the railing, okay, of this particular store, Powai store. Then he pushed the glass. Now certain customers they use the door handle, certain customers they push the glass. But Vivek here, the customer who is posing as a customer, pushed the glass door. Then he went to the dipping cabinet where our staff is there. Now let's look at his hands. He touched the glass, okay, and then he spoke to the staff. Till this point, it's been very good, but let's see what exactly as staff we must be doing after the guest leaves the store. Over to you.
Hi. So now I am cleaning the place which all places customer has touched his hand with this sanitizer.
Okay, now one second, Samir. Why we are doing this is that now we are talking about this little scare of this coronavirus. We are doing this to safeguard not only the interest of the customer but also to be totally safe so that this particular disease or this particular virus does not spread. We are trying to be very, very careful. And what just one activity which we need to do is to sanitize. Okay, we are not saying we are not doing anything which is which we have not done before. We are using the same sanitizer which has been available in the store, and we will be currently sanitizing. Over to you, Samir.
Yes, sir. Definitely. I'll do this. So consumer has touched his hand on this canopy area. So I'll spray it with the sanitizer bottle. To
Perfect.
This area. I'll keep it for at least a minute to air dry it. Then I will wipe out because the sanitizer effect should be there for at least some hours. So that's the reason I'll keep it for few seconds. I'll wipe this apron area as well with the sanitizer.
Perfect. Perfect.
So the consumer was eating in-house on this table he was sitting. So I'll sanitize this table as well. On this chair he has seated. So I'll sanitize. I'll keep it for few seconds.
Perfect.
By the time I'll wipe this place.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Let's move on. This
So
place.
So after that particular place, I'll wipe this table as well.
Perfect. Let's move on. Let's move on.
While entering at the shop, consumer has touched this door. So I'll wipe this place with the handle. It's a precautionary. Some people use glass, some people use handle. So I'll wipe this. I'll keep it few seconds of this sanitizer.
Yeah.
Then I'll wipe it.
Perfect. 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 Let's get in. Come. So by doing this, we are ensuring safety, nothing else. We are not trying to discriminate or anything, but what we are trying to do is that we want to make our place, okay, really, in terms of maintaining the highest standards of sanitation and hygiene in the interest of customers and customers only. Thank you.